How to change call background on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the search bar and search for phone. Now in the interface that you will be led to, under the allow phone to access tab, you will see the incoming calls option. Tap on that and then select banner or full screen option. If you select banner, the phone will appear on first half of your home screen. However, if you select full screen, the phone calls will appear on your entire screen. So this is how you can change call screen on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.